Oh, wow. Look at you guys. Hey there. Good evening to you. How are you? Lisa, Happy New Year to you. Let's get right into it. See who's checking in. Hello, Nicole. Adam says Happy New Year. Hello, Patty. Thanks for all the goodies. We appreciate it. Hello, Karen. Bill Scott, Jacksonville, North Carolina. Warm down here before it cools off next week. We're going to get cold weather too. Question is can we get some snow? That's what's on everyone's mind. Hello, Robert. How are you? Nicole, Happy New Year to you. I hope everyone had a good New Year's. Kenneth, how are you? From West Springfield. Patrick, there's going to be a little bit. I don't think it's going to be all that much, but it's definitely looking more like winter as we go into January, which that's climatologically speaking, that's the way it should be. You know, December we finished second place for warmest Decembers on record. Average temperature when you smash the high and lows together was 41.1, 41.2, something like that. And fourth least snowiest. We only recorded a measly 2.6 inches for the month of December. We'll add a little bit of that tomorrow. Patrick, good evening. Yes, we'll see if we could find some snow. Denise says it was pretty foggy coming home this afternoon. Yeah, happy and healthy New Year to you, Denise. Hello, Lori. How are you? Kim, happy New Year to you. JR, how you doing, brother? Good to see you. I hope I say your name right. I always forget every time. Hello, Michelle. You're welcome, Lori. It's good to be here. Kevin, happy New Year to you. Warm in 96 South Carolina. And let's see. Shardy says new on the snow. Yeah, it actually could be a little messy later tonight because as you look at the temperatures there, I'll explain why in just a minute. Hey, Pamela, happy New Year to you. Carolyn, weather watcher. Hello. Hello from Kentucky. I hope you guys are doing okay down there. Another round of severe weather down there today. Just unbelievable. Judy, what time should we expect some freezing rain? There's the potential for some brief freezing rain as we get towards tomorrow morning. We'll show you Futurecast in a moment. Hello, Sandy. Happy New Year to you. Gregory as well. Kathy checking in. Good evening and Happy New Year. Yeah, we've had plenty of rain, that's for sure. Bunny's here. Happy New Year. Teresa, Happy New Year. Good evening, John. Adam did bring his. Well, I had pork and sauerkraut tonight. That was my dinner. In fact, it's right over there, actually. Still some left over. So maybe later. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Okay, let's talk about temperatures because they are key. So you can see that we're still in the upper 30s right now. So we're still just talking about rain showers, but not too far away, like Detroit falling into the 20s. Grand Rapids is into the 20s. So that cold air off to the north and west is going to slowly bleed south. And because we still have warmer air over top of us, I'm a little concerned because cold air is dense, so it likes to ride closer to the surface. Warm air is more buoyant, so it's lighter, and it goes up over that cold air. And whenever we see that kind of signature in the atmosphere, we start to get a little concerned about that icy mix. And I think there's going to be at least some of that. I don't think it's going to last too long, but just enough that it could be a light glaze for some as we head into tomorrow morning. So let's take a look at what's going on with Doppler radar right now. Again, some light rain across the area, but you can see the snow to the north and west. That will slowly seep south. I don't think it's going to be a lot of snow. I'm a little bit more concerned about the icy weather first thing in the morning. Again, a brief period of wintry mix possible, so some sleet or freezing rain possible as we go toward tomorrow morning. But again, it's not going to last all that long. For this evening, if you're going out for whatever reason, if the party's tonight, rain showers for the time being. But watch Futurecast. We put it into motion. See that pink? That's your brief little period of wintry mix. And then through the day on Sunday, that changes to light snow and snow showers. Now, this is not going to be an overwhelming amount of snow. So it could be a little slick in the morning, a light glaze, and then we will get some light snow throughout the course of the day, and also a little help from lake effect. The bigger story tomorrow, I think, well, besides the icy mix and snow, which is not going to be all that impactful, but just be mindful of that going out in the morning, is the temperatures. They're going to fall through the course of the day, and we have some of the coldest air on the way so far for the winter season. And we'll show you that here in a moment. So you can see there's some light snow around as we head through the day on Sunday, and then it kind of tapers off as we go deeper into Sunday night. But temperatures all day on Sunday, are going to be dropping. So it's one of those weird days where it might actually be like 34, 35 in the morning. And then by the evening, it's probably in the mid 20s with some light snow around. So again, this is not going to be an overwhelming amount, okay? It's probably a fresh coating to less than an inch in places like Meadville and Tidiute and Warren and Tionesta and Pittsfield and Youngsville and Chandler's Valley and Townville. You know, those areas, maybe a coating to an inch. 1 to 2 inches possible over portions of Erie County. Corey, you're probably like an inch or two, maybe. I got you right on the line. And there could be some locally 1 to 3 inch amounts over interior sections of Erie County, and then up into Chautauqua County. So again, this is not an overwhelming amount of snow. You know, a couple days ago, I was thinking, wow, this might be something that we might actually have to deal with and manage, but it's just not looking to be the case anymore. So just enough light snow through the day on Sunday that it will probably just accumulate an inch or two locally, 3 inches. Not a big deal. Live look outside, picture tells the story. It is turning breezy. It's still raining. It's ugly. So if you do have to go out tonight, definitely need the raincoat. And again, the temperatures are going to be tricky tonight. I think if you're going out this evening, within the next few hours, you should be fine. We're just going to be dealing with some light rain moving through. And then the colder air is going to start to seep in as we go late tonight into the day on Sunday. And again, some of the coldest air on the way, I think, as we start next week, as we all go back to work and school on Monday, it's going to feel like January. Yeah, we'll take a look at those wind chills coming up. But basically, here's the setup. As we go into Monday, temperatures on Monday are only going to scratch and claw their way to 30. I don't think it's going to be doing much. There will be some light snow flurries around in the morning, and then maybe some breaks of sun as we get into the afternoon. But temperatures all day on Monday will probably be in the 20s to near 30. And it's interesting because I like numbers, and I was thinking to myself, when was the last time that we stayed below 32 degrees for a high temperature? So I went back through the record books and took a look, and pretty interesting that the last time that happened, at least in Erie, you got to go back to what is now last year, February 20th of 2021. The high temperature was 23 degrees. That's 315 days ago. So it's been a long time since it's been this cold. And it looks like we will have some wintry cold, at least around for one day. And well, I mean, we all know how mild this winter has been so far. So this is definitely going to be a little slap in the face coming up Monday. It'll probably be blustery. And again, temperatures all day on Monday are probably stuck in the 20s, and we'll try to get to 30. for a high. So some wintry cold for sure. The temperatures will drop through the day on Sunday, and then they are just going to stay in the basement as we go into Monday. So get set for that. Again, a little bit of light snow tomorrow, a little wintry mix, brief little wintry mix in the morning, over to light snow. It's an inch or two. It's no big deal. And then we just open the floodgates to the cold air. That's only half the story. Look at these wind chills. Okay, these aren't actual air temperatures, but wind chills are what it feels like to your epidermis if you were to go outside in your birthday suit on Monday afternoon, which I don't know why you would do that, but that's what it's going to feel like. It's going to feel like the teens. So wind chill temperatures are going to be cold too as we go through the day on Monday. This is at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see the wind chill temperatures basically 12 to 16 degrees on Monday afternoon. So get set for that. But it's one day, right? Because then we start to get a little milder. Hey, I just quickly wanted to mention once again, severe weather breaking out down across the South, Tennessee, parts of Alabama, Mississippi, and into parts of eastern Kentucky this time, seeing some pretty nasty weather there. And you can see the snow filling in on the northern side of that. That will slowly ooze its way to the south, and we will be dealing with some light snow through the day on Sunday. But again, I don't see anything more than an inch or two, with some locally 3-inch amounts possible over parts of Erie County on Sunday. So here's what you could expect. Temperature is pretty much going to drop to near 30 and pretty much hang out there all day on Sunday. Brief period of sleet or freezing rain or a wintry mix early, changing to light snow. It will be blustery and turning colder through the day. So by the evening, temperatures are probably down into the 20s. Again, cold weather continues right into Monday. So wind chills on Monday, you just saw those in the teens for your Monday. Here's your 7-day forecast. So the temperatures tumbled at 36 that you see on Sunday is like a big lie. Okay, it's never going to feel like 36, but I think it's going to be around there at midnight. And since midnight starts a new day, technically speaking, that will be the high temperature. And then cold through Monday, a couple of light snow flurries around in the morning. Tuesday's nice, not bad, not as cold. Will be a cold start in the morning, though. We should see partly sunny and highs in the low 40s by Tuesday. Breezy. Milder again Wednesday as some rain showers develop late in the day. That's a stronger cold front, though, coming through on Wednesday. So look at what happens to the temperature as we go into Thursday and Friday. Again, highs in the 20s, and there's probably going to be some light snow and snow showers around Thursday and Friday. So again, starting to look a little bit more like it should going through winter, right? With highs only in the 20s Thursday and Friday. And there's going to be a storm system Thursday. Right now, it looks like the brunt of it is going to pass by to the south. We're going to get the cold front coming through, and that will probably mean at least some lake effect snow developing Thursday into Friday. And then that should wrap up, and Saturday's not looking bad. Nice winter's day, partly sunny, and a high near 30. So I know that was a lot of information and a lot of people checking in. Let's see. What about Waterford? If you're asking about snow, I'd put you in like right around 2 inches, 2, maybe 3 inches, Adam. No big deal. Let's see. Yeah, very cold, Kenneth. Coming up Monday for sure. Happy New Year, Edward. Good to see you, my friend. Show us some palm trees. Well, I don't have any palm trees. Sorry. Let's see. Avoid Peach Street traffic jam. Thank you for that. Adam, no. It does not look like anything crazy right now. No big storm systems. It definitely looks like a colder pattern, but it's still not conducive for anything major. At least there's not anything major coming down the pike that we see. Lori, that is a great point, especially Monday. careful with the pets outside. I know they have fur, but it's still going to be tough for them too. But it's only a one-day affair. So, Jennifer, you could have seen a little bit of snow as the colder air starts to mix in. You'll start to see some of that wet snow mix with the rain. Did I get any donuts yesterday? I did not. I see that there were a lot of donuts, but I was in for DeVecchio in the morning, so I was gone by the evening. And I welcomed the new year in looking at my eyelids, man. I was tired from the morning show this past week, but I had fun working with Belmondo. Schedules go back to normal, though, as we go into January. I think Atkins has a little bit more time off. I'm not sure when, but it's sometime in January. Other than that, we're back to normal. So that's good. Dave's ready for spring? Yeah, well, you're going to have to wait. Adam, we don't do that. We don't do snow totals that are, at this point, 5 days out. That's just ridiculous to even try and pin down. So we have no idea. We'll worry about that when we get there. As for tomorrow, again, it's not much. It's not much, 1 inch, 2 or 3. Gregory says, Orthodox Christmas, January 7th, let it snow. All right, man. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Well, Tom's not here, Lori. You're stuck with me, and I don't have any palm trees. Sorry. Joshua, you're the man. Thank you for saying that. Appreciate it. There you go. Daniel's counting down the days till spring. 78 days, quote unquote, till spring. Joe, how's it going? It's filled with happiness. And says, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I enjoy working with those two. They're a lot of fun. So, well, thank you, Jennifer. Yeah, I missed out on that one because I was out of here by 1 o'clock yesterday. So, DeVecchio will be back. Everyone will be back to normal starting this coming week. So, okay. Mary, it's looking a little bit more like winter, right? As you look at the 7-day forecast. So another round of data comes in here, actually coming in now. So I'm going to go take a look at that, see if anything's changed. You can check in with us tonight on Fox at 10 and then over at Jet at 11. Again, it could be a little tricky in the morning if you have to go out. Again, it's not going to be an overwhelming amount of snow, though. Thank you, Lori. I appreciate the kind words. Thanks, Becky, for being here. And I got your email. I missed the temperature at 6. I'm sorry. So hopefully you'll try and send it again at 11. All right. I think I'm going to leave it there. Just rain for now. But again, colder air on the way. So we'll start to see that changeover and then some light snow through the day on Sunday. See you on TV tonight. Have a good one.